Hi there, welcome to a short video on how to install the Viva Wallet Smart Checkout plugin for WooCommerce on your WordPress website. Firstly, visit the developers portal on our website. From the left menu, select Plugins and then select WooCommerce Smart Checkout. From the table of contents, click on Setup Instructions. Here you can find the link to download the plugin. Click on the link to download the zip file on your device. Now log into your demo or live Viva Wallet account. If you want to make test payments, log into your demo Viva Wallet account. If you want to receive real payments, log into your live Viva Wallet account. For the purpose of this video, we used our demo Viva Wallet account. Once you're logged in, from the left menu, select Settings and then API Access. In the Access Credentials field, you can find the Merchant ID and API key. Please note these credentials for later use in the installation process. Keep in mind that by using our demo credentials on the plugin settings page later in the installation process, the test mode should be enabled. Now, from the left menu, navigate to Sales, Online Payments, Websites, Apps. Here you can find the source code for the WooCommerce Smart Checkout plugin. Please note the source code for later use in the installation process. For further instructions about how to create a source code, please refer to the developers portal on our website. Now log in to your WordPress website. From the left menu, navigate to Plugins, Add New. At the top of the screen, select Upload Plugin and then select Choose File. Browse to the file you just downloaded, choose this file and then select Install Now and Activate Plugin. The plugin is activated. From the left menu, navigate to WooCommerce, Settings and select the Payments tab. At the bottom of the list, the Viva Wallet Smart Checkout plugin will appear. Select Manage at the bottom right of the list. A settings page will be displayed for the Viva Wallet Smart Checkout plugin. Please fill in the following fields. Enable, disable. Make sure the box is checked in order to enable the plugin. Title. Enter the title to display to customers on your checkout page, for example, Viva Wallet Smart Checkout. Description. Enter the description to display to customers on your checkout page, for example, make a fully secure payment. Keep in mind that the title and description are what the customers will see on your checkout page. For the Merchant ID, API key and source code, please fill in the fields accordingly with the credentials you noted from your Viva Wallet account. Installments. This is an optional field, only applicable to Greek merchants. You can set the maximum allowed payment card installments and their corresponding order values with a format as described in the text below. Test mode. When the test mode is checked, the plugin will connect to the demo Viva Wallet account. As we used our demo credentials for test payments, the test mode should be enabled. If you use your live credentials for real payments, then the test mode should not be enabled. And finally, order status. Choose what to set your order status to within WooCommerce when the payment is successful. When you complete the form, select Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. Your settings have been saved. The installation is completed. Now you can proceed to receive payments. Thank you for your time.